Look, he got a lot of chicken because he cannot just...
I got 2 bags. You pick 2 bags. My bags were cheaper. They were $12. Get off of there.
And he gets so spoiled. He knows. Na dapat tawagan. Yung messenger na damay. So ngayon, walang video call. So ano ngayon?
Good morning, Philippines!
Hurot imong kaon. Tinapos mo yung pagkain, ano? Aduy, nag-burp. Aguroy. Masarap, di ba, no? Masarap, Rox? Oh my goodness. Nalami kayong manok, no? Sarap ang manok. Nilagyan lang yun ng kaunting manok yung ano mo. Pagkain, tinapos mo. Kanina, guys, itong dalawa, si Habs at saka si Roxy, naglalaro. Si Habs, hinalik-halikan yung paa ni Roxy. Si Roxy, tingin lang siya, tingin. And then suddenly, tumalon itong si Habs, hinag yung neck. Ganyan man si Habs kapag gustong maglaro. Tumalon, hinahag yung neck, and then yun, tumalon ulit. Naglalaro yung dalawa. Sabi ko, hindi ko film kasi kapag mag-move kasi ako mag-stop. So, nag-enjoy na lang ako sa dalawa. Who's gonna be home today? Your daddy. He's coming home. Dada's gonna be here. Dada? Dada's gonna be here. Misty, andun sa likuran ko. Parang nagmamakaawang bigyan na ng treats. Dada's gonna be here. Good girl. Good. Oh my God, si Misty. Kainin man pati kamay ko eh. Good morning! Hi guys. So, maayong aga sa lahat. Hindi ako nagbihis. Ito lang din yung suot ko, sabi ko. Ito na, okay na to. Anyway guys, good morning. Monday ngayon, parating si Tami. So, hintayin po natin hanggang makarating. Ulan ng ulan guys. Pero ulan siya. Kalmadong ulan. Look. Ay, basang-basa yung ano natin, ah. Ay. Okay lang yan. Ulan ng ulan. Inopen ko yung window para makapasok yung hangin. Pero walang hangin. Yan. Ito yung ano natin. Walang hangin. So, I guess kapag pupunta ako ng grocery store, magdala ako ng payong, guys. Ulan-ulan! Naliligo na si Mister and then pupunta daw yun dito. So, ang nakakaloka kasi ulan. So, baka magbaha na naman yung basement. Baka ayaw naman niya dito magpunta. Yan, maghakbat lang tayo guys. Para ano na bang oras? Kasi itong mga pusang to, 11 o'clock na. Naghanap na ng pagkain. Wait kayo! Hintay kayo! Hintay! Mag-ano lang ako guys. Titingin lang ako sa basement. Kung ano yung makakain ko. Or makakain namin mamaya. Kasi ngayon, tignan ko, mag-grocery ako. Bibili ako ng manok, chicken thighs. Pero ngayon, titignan ko muna. Hindi pa ako dito kailangan ko pa ng tulong ni Mister. Bako ako makapag-start ng ating garden. Ang dami. Look. Ito na lang, steak. And ito, pork ribs. Defrost ko din yan. And ano pa? Ay, hanap tayo ng magandang steak. Diba? Ano to? Tignan ko muna guys sa look. Ay. Ay, hanap tayo. Let's see. Hanapin ko yung mas matanda-tanda na steak. Kasi alam niyo. Oh, ito siya. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. I need to. Oh, ito talaga yung sabi ko sa kanya talaga, oh. Ang gandang steak, nag-start na. I-defrost ko to. Hanap ako dito, guys, kasi I know marami pa dito. Lutuin ko yan para sa aso. So, yun. So, ito na lang. Steak. Freezer burn na, oh. Para bukas. Ilagay ko dito. Dito ko ako mag-defrost, guys. Kasi bukas pa naman yan. So, ngayon, maghanap ako dito ng manok. Let's see kung meron tayong chicken. Malapit na daw siya, eh. It's already 1:21. Mag-coffee lang daw siya. Hindi na alis kami. Kasi hindi niya ako pinag-grocery kahapon kasi sabi niya, kami na lang daw magsama ng grocery. So, yun. Bad news. Facebook is down. That's today.
I'll be up again in a few hours.
Hopefully, yung nakita ninyo itong video na to, balik na yung Facebook. Kasi, I know late na ito kasi ang dami kong na upload. Okay guys, ito na yung grocery namin. Look, dito sa amin naghanap ng egg.
Just two?
Yeah, just two. And again. And then creamer. That's really creamer. People. Yung mga tao ba pag mag-vlog ka, hindi nakatingin na lang sila sa camera mo kung on ba. Nakakaluka talaga. I'll try here, oh. Oh, thank goodness na marami sila. Original. Okay, give it, yeah. Give it to me.
I need to bring one.
Huh?
Because I need to bring one.
3 of them.
Yeah.
Allah, why is this open? Okay guys, ito na guys, nakapag-grocery na tayo guys. Alam niyo ba kung magkano? Alam niyo ba kung magkano yung gasto ni Mister kapag kasama ko siya? How much is this? 200? 225 because of him. It's like spending a lot of money every time he's with me.
6 mustards.
And look,
92 cents each.
It's full.
92.
Okay,
Less than
come on.
$1 for each one.
Hold on.
I think that's a big deal.
Pass it to me. Look, he got a lot of chicken because he cannot just.
I got 2 bags. You take 2 bags. My bags were cheaper. They were $12 for the 2 bags.
Yeah. We get a lot of alcohol. 3 big gallons. Put that closer here. Give it to me and shoot. Here, tissue. Huh? Like spending a lot of money all the time. Next time I'll go grocery. I'll go grocery alone next time.
Oh, I didn't know we needed that. Oh, I didn't know we needed that. Oh, I didn't know we needed that. Oh, I didn't know we needed that.
Yeah, whatever. There you go with the mustard.
Well, you're such a big stick about the mustards.
It's just like because you have tons of them downstairs. you have like a lot of them. Okay guys, there you go. Puno guys, puno. Grocery. Ay nako, nasasad pa rin ako dahil sa Facebook. Nakalurky. I'm still sad. Can you give me that? And you need to kill the germs.
Okay.
You need to kill them.
You're killing good germs too.
No, it's not.
Are you kidding?
Yeah.
Do you know nothing about bacteria at all?
We don't kill the good germs, and the good germs is inside in our body.
No. Killing good germs and bad germs.
200 something. That's like $10, 10,000 something. This is what we're so lucky if we do 10,000 grocery in the Philippines.
More than 10,000.
Huh?
More than 10,000.
49 now. So
Oh, 49. So it's 225. We figure 200 is 10,000 and 25 would be another 3,000.
how much?
Another 3,000.
3,000.
Well, 100 is figure 5,000.
Yeah.
Okay. So 25 would be a quarter of 5,000. So half is 2,500. So it'll be about 1,300.
It's like 10 something.
Yeah. So 11,000 and change.
Hi guys. Andito na kami guys. Bahay na. Iwan ko kung ano kung dito eh. Dami talaga no. So ngayon magluto tayo guys. Kasi ito naman ang papel natin. Basta andito ang mister. Gagamit mi yan. Ang laki nito eh. Hindi man ito magkasya dito. Good. What is that? Why is it nice? Yeah, but why is it a nice container? Bag.
I guess they like to make it nice.
Water generator. That's not freaking weird. Han, I'm gonna start cooking, Han. This is a problem here. You're buying a lot, and now I have to rethink what I'm gonna do. Plus Roxy's food, I have to freaking think. Oh, do you wanna do that? Do you wanna go out? Okay, let's go out. Come on, Misty, let's go. Somebody's watching him, guys. Look, somebody's watching his dada. Look. Yeah, that's who he
He wants
is.
to know if there's something for him here. You cannot go on there.
Look at him. And he's so nosy. It's not a food, little boy.
Can't go off of there.
And he gets so
Get down.
spoiled. He knows he get away with murder. He knows it. And then.
No. I'm not gonna have him step on him, like get stuck to the floor.
I'm going to wrap it now.
Don't wrap it around him.
I will.
Do not.
I will. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Did you take it off him?
Huh?
Pretty small.
Oh yeah, that's very small. Han, they're afraid now.
Like up.
That's really tiny, Han. What a waste of money.
What is that?
You just like wasting money, period. Han, I wanna put this to your son. Can you get him, honey?
No, I don't know what you put it in.
Han, can you hold him?
No, I'm not having you torture him.
For
No.
fun, Han.
Huh?
He's not torturing
His
him.
nosiness would get him to do it himself. I'm not going to do it to him.
Oh, my little boy. Boy, come on. Come on, boy. Come on.
You two, do not step on your brother. Careful, careful. You guys are just unbelievable.
Look at Roxanne. She's a crazy maniac. Nasasad ako oy na walang Facebook oy. Paano na ito? I'm going to call my sister. Kasi wala na talaga. So ngayon, next, kung wala na talagang Facebook and then wala ng YouTube, paano na kaya? Ayan, luto tayo ng steak. Luto tayo ng salad na cucumber kasi gusto yun ni Mister. And pasta. Itong klaseng pasta. Ang lutuin ko sana is yung linguine or yung spaghetti, thin spaghetti. Pero nakita ko yan sa ito na lang kasi matagal-tagal na din hindi kami kumakain ito kind of pasta. This is what we used to eat, guys. Easy. I-boiled, lagyan ng butter, parsley, seasoning, cream. Anyari sa Facebook? Wala na tayong Facebook? Oh my God. Saan? Paano na ito? Paano na yung mga damit ko? Mag-online selling pa naman ako. Wala na akong kita. Wala na akong kita. Sinong bibili nito? Ang dami ko pang damit na dapat ibaligya, ibinta. Paano na ito?
What?
May mga pamilya pa tayo sa Pilipinas na dapat tawagan. Yung messenger na damay. So ngayon walang video call. So ano ngayon? Anyari? Anyari sa Facebook? What? Nabuang na to. May mga tao na nag-alala sila kasi wala silang contact na ibang information kung ano paano magpadala ng mga messages.
Oh no!
Ang problema ngayon, yung iba is problema paano makontak yung boyfriend, yung family, yung papa at mama.
Huh?
Kasi yung boyfriend, nabasa ko lang ito kanina sa live ko. Kasi paano na daw, yung Facebook Messenger lang yung dahilan kung bakit magkausap sila. Nagtataka ako kung bakit wala siyang number sa lalaki, wala siyang number sa babae, email sa babae, email sa lalaki. Bakit ganun? Paano na itong Facebook? Ang daming kumikita dito. Ang nangyari. Naluka ako guys. Uy, kanina pa ako naluka ako sa Facebook kahit ano ng mga naisip ka. Ang hirap kasi no? Kasi parang na-addict tayo lahat sa Facebook mo. Day. Wala na yung Facebook. Down. Wala na gani Facebook. Abi ni mong imong internet na guba. Tanawa, maka-YouTube pa man ka. Pero wala na yung Facebook. Tala mo na ka. Ang impag nagtuo ka ay mong internet guba. Wa na Facebook oy. Tibuok kalibutan nag-shutdown ng Facebook. Nag-live bitaw ko dito sa YouTube. Pahibalo sa mga uban kay ang nagtuo man ang uban nga ang ilahang internet or ilahang cellphone or ilahang Facebook na hack. Pag-download diha ko anday kanang Skype. And my sister think her internet is like, what's going on with my internet? It's just new. And then it's like, I said, you can go look at YouTube, and then pop up suddenly like she doesn't even realize that Facebook is just down.
I'm guessing it's still down.
Han, I put already a whole butter here, honey.
Okay.
That's it. Not so much with that. I'm not eating it if it's so much.
Really? Now you got a problem.
Nandun na yung steak, guys. Niluto ko yung steak. Dyan. And then, to make it cook, binabrown ko lang outer part. So, yun dyan siya. And ngayon, magluluto tayo ng Brussels sprout. Tapos na yung chicken ng aso. And meron na tayong pasta. Yun. At saka, na-busy ako guys sa kakaano ng kapatid ko kasi natawa ako sa kapatid ko. Sabi pa niya, kala niya internet niya isira. Naloka ako. Ang daming. Nagbalik na yung Facebook guys. Nagbalik pero dahan-dahan muna sila pagbalik kasi hindi pa makapost ng something sa Facebook. Wala pa. At hindi pa makatawag sa Messenger. So ngayon nagbalik na siya. At itong kapatid ko, tinatawagan ko, hindi sumasagot. Ay, kabisi ko guys. Hindi ko na alam anong gagawin. Ang dami kong lilinisin. Ganyan, ang dami kong lilinisin. Nagbalik ang Facebook. Finally, tapos na kaming kumain. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina kasi nag-edit. O, nag-live ako. Yung boses ko nga is parang kasi ang ingay ko sa live. Nagla-live ako dun sa Facebook page. Kung gusto nyong makakita sa mga live natin doon, mag-like lang kayo doon sa Facebook page natin para din kayo ba, maka-update yung parang live talaga ng buhay talaga. And also, I'm going to end the vlog na guys. I'm going to end na kasi kailangan ko nang matulog na. Well, andito si Mister. Bago matulog, muna kami, magkinamangay. Magkinamangay talaga. So anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And hubby is here. And my baby, the love of my life. Oh my God, look at this guys. Who the heck is this kids? Who are they?
I figure they're letting me sit with them on the couch.
Anyway, so let's end the vlog for YouTube. Hi YouTube, we're gonna end the vlog. Pasensya na guys, hindi ako nakapag kanina. Anyway guys, good night. See you tomorrow guys. Bye bye. Pasensya na ha, hindi ako nakapag kanina talaga. Kasi yun, yung time natin is limited. Anyway guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys. Good night. Nawain mo signal oy.
Man, oy.
Sige na, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ayaw ibaba. Roxy, no. Hey, that's not yours. Roxy, that's not yours.
You're so